Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you how to make a strap for your bags. This specific bag comes with this black strap and it attaches to the rings on the sides, and it's cute, you know, classic. She works for when you're just like running errands. However, I thought it would be cute to incorporate a unique piece that kind of elevates the bag a little bit. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this chain strap for the bag. Here's what it looks like on. Additionally, I'm also going to be showing you how to make this bag charm that you can also attach either onto your bag or on your keys as a keychain. It just unscrews at the top. All you do is attach it to the ring on the bag, and once it's on, you just screw it back shut. This is what it will look like with the bag charm on as well. So let's get right into how to create this bag strap and the charms that can be used on the bag or as a keychain. I've already lined up the charms, how they're going to be sitting onto the chain. I'm going to begin by opening up the heavy duty cutters and opening up the link of the chain rather than actually cutting through the metal, because this is a stainless steel chain and these chains are super difficult to cut through. So what I recommend is placing the tip of your cutter to the open link of the chain. As you can see here, there's a little slit and it's not completely soldered, so I'm going to place the tip of the cutter onto the chain, press down, and as you can see, what will happen is the chain link expands out and you can slide it directly off of the chain. Next, I'm going to use a large, thick, heavy-duty stainless steel jump ring to attach the carabiner onto the chain, and I'm going to use my set of pliers and open the jump ring up, attach it onto the carabiner and also onto the last link of the chain. Then using my set of pliers, I'm going to go ahead and close the ring, hear that little click, pass it, and then come back to where they meet. I kind of go back and forth a few times. Next, I'm going to go in with this pearl and attach it using a stainless steel head pin. Insert the pearl onto the head pin, create a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess wire off. Keep in mind, I am being generous with the amount of wire that I'm leaving on here because this is a pretty thick chain. So you are going to need a good amount of ring space to attach that onto the chain. Next, using the round nose plier, I'm going in about the middle of the round nose plier so that I can get a wider loop to be able to fit it onto the jump ring. Create that loop. It should look like this. Next, I'm going to go ahead and attach it onto the link of the chain. I'm going to use these pliers with teeth so that I can have a good grip on the eye pin part of the wire. Press down to kind of close that off. Just to ensure that it's fully closed, you can go back with your plier, maneuver it back and forth, ensuring that it's fully closed and that there's no possible way of that slipping off. So far, it should look something like this. Next, I'm going to grab a jump ring. I'm going to go ahead and attach that onto the star carabiner and then onto the chain link. Open up the O-ring, attach it onto the chain, and then also onto the star carabiner. Close it up. It should look like this. Next, I'm going to go ahead and attach the heart charm onto the last link of the chain. And these O-rings are pretty thick, which is good for something like this, especially if you're going to be utilizing this for keys as well, because you want something durable and It should look like this when you're all done. You can personalize this to add any charm of choice. Now I'm going to be cutting the actual strap of the chain and attaching the clasps onto the ends to be able to hook onto the purse. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the link that I would like to open up. As I did previously, I'm going to go ahead and put the tip of the cutter on the opening of the link, press down to where it expands the link out, and I can just slide it off the chain. Next, I'm going to be attaching the clasp onto the chain using these thick, heavy-duty jump rings again, opening it up with my set of pliers, attaching it onto the end of the chain and then also onto the bottom of the clasp loop. Then using my set of pliers to go ahead and close the ring, pass it, and come back to where they meet. Since this is going to be used as a bag strap, I do want it to be extra durable and secure. So I'm also going to go in with a second heavy duty O-ring, open it up and attach it into the clasp and then again onto the chain, just so I have that extra durability and security, and I'm not going to be worrying whether my bag strap will break as I'm wearing it. Also keep in mind these O-rings are super heavy duty, so they do take a lot of effort and strength to, as you can see I slip sometimes, to push them closer together. It should look like this when it's closed up. And I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing to the opposite side as well. Attach them on. Close it up. And then repeating the same thing to get the double security. I do want to preface this again by saying adding that second ring is a little bit tricky because you don't have as much room to put your hands and position it the way you want to. It's not impossible, but it does take a lot of strength. And just like that, we have created the bag strap as well. Here's what she's looking like with all the attachments on. Most of these components are all stainless steel. No matter how many times you wear the chain, this chain will not rust or tarnish or change color on you or anything like that. I also wanted to show you another way that you can style your bag, and that's by using a really cute twilly scarf. You can incorporate this scarf in so many different ways. For example, you can go ahead and create a cute little bow on the side, so it will look something like this. You could even use the scarf as a strap itself. Here's what it would look like with the scarf on. And you can either keep the chain on it, just like dangling on it as well, or you can take the chain off or throw it in the bag and just use the twilly, the bag charm. One last way that you could also wear the bag is by keeping the chain and the charms on it and using the long strap as well. Such a versatile piece. You can really take a bag like this from a casual daytime outfit to a more sophisticated going out nighttime bag. Comment down below which way you would like to wear this bag the most. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.